Hello guys, welcome back to another episode. Today, I have a tablet here, and it has my own custom operating system. It's a fork of Android 4, and Android 4 because that's the pre-root. And I picked a random game on my brother's tablet that's able to be hacked. In this case, it was called Egging. It just crashed. So this is his tablet. I'm going to open up the game. First I have to put the new icon. I used to use Game Killer, but now I'm using GameGuardian. It has an update, so I'm going to update it. Here's the device. First, again, I have to update it. GameGuardian.net, download. First, I have to download the file. I may have to uninstall the other one first. GameGuardian seems to have a problem with it. Okay, first I have to uninstall the old version, so we're going to do that first. In this video, we're going to update GameGuardian and test it. So let's get started. I downloaded the file already from GameGuardian.net. We have to uninstall the old GameGuardian. We have two GameGuardians, so we're going to uninstall the older one. So we had 8.2.1, and now we have 8.48.3.1. So now we're going to X out of everything. Go back in here. Actually, no. So we have the newest GameGuardian installed. Okay. It seems to be installing something. We're going to give it some time. Okay, first we're going to uninstall the old GameGuardians. Yeah. So it's uninstalled. Now we're going to go in our file browser. Another update, I'm going to do it right here. We're going to remove My Files, and we're going to replace it with Root Browser. This is a root browser. It's a Linux-based file explorer. And on my screen you can see I have Khan Academy open. Nobody wants to see that. This is it. Now we have to go under SD card. Or no, downloads. We're going to delete the old version. We're going to install the new version. Install. Do you want to let it do that? Yes. That's done. We're going to open it. It's installing again. I guess I do have to install that other application. which is okay. RXAWD, no, wasn't able to read it. Allow. We granted root permissions to it. Okay. So we're using HW, but we want to use SW. So we're going to take the SW game killer. The first one, okay, which one should I use, HW or SW? HW, I'm assuming, stands for hardware. Yeah, it does. And SW is software. Okay, that's good. HW or SW doesn't matter. Which one, H or S? S. Storage location. There. So we set up the new desktop. We put our newer. So that's camera. Now we're going to X out of all the stuff that we don't need. And we're going to start the game killer. Okay, now it's open. I'm going to X out of the stuff, and I'm going to X out of the application to let it reload. So we're on our desktop. We have GameGuardian open. You can see from the icon right up around there. You can see the icon. But what we're going to do is we're going to open up the application again. Here, again. The only reason I'm using this game is because I know it works. And you can see we already started on some of it. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take, so first memorize how quick the money we're adding is. Slightly blurry, but you can see it's pretty decently slow. And wait, so we have, money up at the top, amount of items here, and coins, which we're not going to use. But what we're going to do is we're going to click and hold on GameGuardian, and we're going to click on the application. Now we're going to click the speed up. Now, ignore the flashing screen. Remember, look how quick it's going now. Way quicker than before. Let's see how long it takes us to get it. To 1 million. Oh, that's good. Anyways, we're going to slow it down completely. So we got some gems from that. But before I was able to speed up the game way quicker than today. Well, I could level up my egg, so I guess I'll do that. No, maybe not. We're going to X out. And we're going to make some changes in order to make it speed up quicker. Now we're going to go under Fix It. So here it is. Now we're going to X out. We're going to open our GameGuardian by clicking and holding. We're going to select a game. Let's do our alarm. Okay, speed hacking the alarm did not do anything. We could also change variables in the alarm. We could see there's some statistics here, or some numbers, or variables, not statistics. But, so yeah, here it is. That's an alarm app. So far, I think pretty good. Yeah. Again, I'm going to try and fix the verification. What is that? Your verification is successful. So everything's working good. Does it have any settings of any type? Let's see. No. And also in the newer update of this, they've reduced the update from the speed hack from 10,000 to 3,600. So that's a disadvantage, and I really liked going up to 1,000. Otherwise, do I recommend this over Game Killer? Yes. Why? It has Game Killer's features, and it also has you could also hide it from games and all of that. And also, with this, you can also edit the variables like in Game Killer. Plus, you could speed it up. So that's why I recommend GameGuardian instead of Game Killer. But Game Killer is a pretty nice thing to have. I would get it anyways if it doesn't conflict with any apps. Some apps that it does conflict with is the Star Wars Force Arena. That's a known bug. Well, it's not a bug, it's security mechanism. But otherwise, it works pretty good. I think I'm gonna go now. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button down below and subscribe. Bye.